I searched how to buy shares of Mevis Medical Solutions AG to show the process. Mevis Medical Solutions AG develops medical technology and is listed on Xetra under the ticker M3V.DE. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. And I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading a valid ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker M3V.DE to find Mevis Medical Solutions AG. Make sure you select the Xetra listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, you will see a short company profile and the price chart for M3V.DE. Double-check the company name and exchange to confirm this is the correct Mevis Medical Solutions AG listing. To place a buy order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until Xetra opens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade executes, you will see your Mevis position in the portfolio. If you want to follow the same example, the eToro link is available in the description.